In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee checkout rejected M04. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your Shopee application. So take note that the reasons why your checkout is rejected, this is maybe because of an incorrect payment method. So maybe you have used an incorrect payment method with incorrect information. Also, maybe your address information also is incorrect. So you might want to check your payment method and your address for this. So always make sure that all of the informations you have entered is correct before proceeding to place your order and check out. So the next thing we can do is to go to our App Store Play Store and make sure that our Shopee application is up to date. So just select on Shopee right here and make sure that there is no update button. So if there is any update button, you might want to update your Shopee application first. Now we want to clear the cache of our Shopee application, so just go to your phone settings, scroll until you find the app settings, and simply search for Shopee. Now from here, go to storage and simply clear its cache. So I hope this fixes your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.